Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premiere, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher. Now get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then just close Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. In them you need to scroll down just a bit to access App Management and click on Default Apps at the top. Finally, tap on Home app, click on iOS Launcher, select OK, and got it. So when I do that, as you can see, my Launcher app was successfully applied. If you wish to, you can always go back to the same settings and select your default launcher or iOS one to switch between them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!